Thank you, PawBehave, for sending this item to check out, and we are looking at the Ultrasonic Dog Trainer. This is a pet behavior corrector in the orange color. And on the back here it says ultrasonic devices have been used to train dogs since 1876. PawBehave is the first brand to develop adjustable ultrasonic pet training devices. Like humans, about 2% of dogs may not respond even to the combination of ultrasound, sound, and strobe light. If your dog falls into this category, scan the code for solutions. Alright, let's unbox to see what's inside. We have the user manual, we have the lanyard, and the device itself. Then we have the USB-A to USB-C cable and safety precautions. Consult with a licensed animal expert if you're unsure if the device is suitable for your pet. Avoid pointing the device directly at eyes or ears of any person or animal. Avoid strobe lights around individuals or animals with epilepsy, and exercise caution. Do not submerge the device in water or expose it to high temperatures above 122 Fahrenheit or 50 Celsius. Keep out of the reach of children, as this device is not a toy. Use responsibly around other pets. Be mindful of the ultrasonic effect on nearby animals. Some training guidelines. General use. Use this device in conjunction with commands and rewards. For example, when your pet exhibits unwanted behavior, activate the appropriate mode, ultrasonic, whistle, or flash, and give a verbal command. Repeat this process until the behavior stops. Bad behavior, activate the mode, and verbal command. Frequency adjustment. Test different frequencies and noise levels to determine the most effective setting for your pet. Some dogs may be less responsive to certain frequencies. Combining training methods. This device can be used alongside other training tools and techniques. However, avoid using multiple devices simultaneously to prevent overwhelming your pet. Instructions for use. 1. Charging the device. Fully charge the device before first use, approximately 2 hours. Charging indicator displays the battery status during the charging and when finally charged. It's a Type-C charger. I'm going to charge the device. You can see the indicator. Alright, it is fully charged. Number 2 is powering on or off. Press and hold the power button until the LED indicator lights up. Press again to turn off the device. Three, locking and unlocking. To lock the device, press the lock button. This prevents any accidental activation. Press the lock button again to unlock. Operating modes. This one is the ultrasonic mode. Press the ultrasonic button to emit an ultrasonic sound. Use the plus and negative buttons to adjust the frequency from 21 kHz to 30 kHz, levels 1 through 10. The ultrasonic frequency is effective at distance up to 50 feet. To stop, press the ultrasonic button again. This one is the flashlight mode. Press the flashlight button to activate the flashlight. Use the plus or minus button to adjust brightness. Hold the flashlight button for 2 seconds to switch to strobe mode. In this mode, the flashlight flashes rapidly, which can disorient animals to interrupt undesirable behavior. Hold the flashlight button again for 2 seconds to switch back to flashlight mode. This is the e-whistle mode. Press the e-whistle button to emit a whistle up to 125 decibels. Use the plus or minus button to adjust the volume. Hold the e-whistle button down for 2 seconds to cycle through the 18 different pitch options. We have some frequently asked questions. Can this be used to correct barking? Yes, the device can be used to help deter excessive barking, but it may not completely eliminate it. Is the device waterproof? No, the device is not waterproof and should not be submerged. How long should I use the ultrasonic mode? Each dog is unique. As a guideline, limit the use of ultrasonic mode to 10 seconds. Can I use this on aggressive dogs? Consult with a certified animal expert before using this device on aggressive dogs. And we have some technical information here. Sonic mode goes to 21 kHz to 30 kHz. The e-whistle mode can go up to 125 decibels. Flashlight mode is up to 1000 lumens. Battery capacity is 1200 milliamp hour. Charging time approximately 2 hours. Standby time is 6 months on a full charge. Effective range up to 50 feet. And if you're wondering if this will work with cats, I guess the short answer is not really, because cats respond better to positive reinforcement training, like with clickers and treats, rather than deterrent sounds, because the sensitivity frequency for dogs and cats are different. And this has been PawBehave, adjustable ultrasonic dog trainer.